2010 Honda Pilot. We have a blown tail brake light, and let go of the brake. You see the light comes on this side, but this side it does not come on. Press it again. So this bulb is blown out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna change this bulb. So how to change a brake bulb on a Honda Pilot 2008 to 2012 models. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the number 8 here, and also one in the bottom. And then the light, you're gonna pull it out. There's probably got a clip in there. It's tricky to it. Once we have it open, we'll show you. That way you know exactly what to do. Some of these clips, they're hard to get out. There you go, he got it out. So you're looking at these clips right here, 1 and 2. See, this one came out of the housing right here. So we're gonna take that off and put it back in there, and the bottom one's in there. So they're straight clips. You have to pull this light straight out. But what we'll do is we'll remove this bulb. You twist it, and this is let me look at this is a double flare bulb. So we're gonna get the double flare bulb and we'll put that in. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick the bulb in there. And then you put the bulb inside, and it's like a twist on thing, and you twist it back in there. There you go. Once you hear that click, it's in. So what we're gonna do is we have to remove that gray clip. Probably gonna need a flathead or a tool for the clips. So he's gonna go get a clip tool. And what we'll do is we'll yank this off, and we'll stick it in that hole right there on the top hole. See how the bottom one has it? These over time jam up, so there's no way that other piece was gonna come out without pulling out that clip. Alright, this is gonna be, it might break, so we're gonna leave that alone. We're gonna try to push it back in just like that. If it goes in place, good. There you go, it clipped right in. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the 2 screws in, the number 8s. And then after that we'll press the brake pedal and see if the light comes on. Usually you can test it before you close it up. Sometimes that's not the issue, but 99% of the time it's a bad bulb. And I'll tell you now, you go press the brake pedal. Alright, so these are tight, and he's gonna press the brake pedal. Let's see if the light comes on. There you go, the light illuminates and it's good. That's how you change a bulb on a Honda Pilot.